We tend to tighten our muscles when we don't exercise or move around. Yoga stretches are a great way to release the tension from your muscles as well as to improve flexibility. Using shoulder stretches can strengthen your arms, wrists, shoulders and give your upper body a well-defined shape. These are 3 asanas or shoulder stretches that I will be sharing with you today. The first one being Uttana Shishosana or puppy pose. You can use this pose to increase spinal flexibility and stretch your shoulders. It also helps to strengthen the upper back. Now let's begin with this pose. From your child's pose, you're just going to slide your arms forward, making sure that your hips are right above your knees. Your ankles are tucked in and you can hold here for about 30 seconds. Consider bending your elbows and bringing your hands closer together if this feels difficult. Remember to keep breathing as you stay in this posture, and to come out you can slowly come into your child's pose and lift up. Feel free to repeat this posture one more time to maximize the benefits. In case of any knee or shoulder injury, I'd suggest that you avoid this posture. Also, if you have severe lower back pain, this is not an ideal posture for you. Let's move on to our second stretch, which is popularly known as push the wall stretch. The wall shoulder stretch helps you to release tension and loosen up your shoulders, increasing flexibility. Let's begin by practicing this posture. All you're going to do is put your palms at your waist level against the wall. From here, you're slowly going to start walking your feet back till a point where your hands are completely straight. From here, drop your chest down, making a 90-degree angle with your body. Your legs are completely straight as you stay here and breathe deeply. Do not jam your shoulders near your ears, keep them nicely drawn back and relaxed. You can hold this posture for 30 seconds before returning back to your normal position, feeling a pleasant stretch in the shoulders. Feel free to try this one more time. If you suffer from any shoulder, back or wrist injuries, avoid practicing this stretch. Our last pose for today is clock face shoulder stretch. The clock face shoulder stretch works really well if you're looking to release the shoulder muscle tension. It also improves the mobility, thereby improving your posture. Do not try this stretch if you have any type of injury in the arm or shoulders. To perform this stretch, place your right outer foot close to the wall. From here, you're just going to extend your right hand out on the wall as well at a 3 o'clock angle. Slowly begin to start walking towards the wall. The closer you move towards the wall, the deeper the stretch. From here, you can come to a 12 o'clock angle or a 1 o'clock angle, trying out different angles that feel good. Holding the stretch for about 3 to 5 breaths before you release and repeat on the other side. I hope you found these stretches to be easy and I hope they helped you ease that tension from the shoulders. Stay tuned to learn about more asanas and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.